Status report. This is also an ongoing document that will be used from the beginning right to the end of the project. It's really a document to, or a presentation. Could be a deck, could be a Word document, it could be a sheet. But I use the Word document. You can transfer that into a deck. I like switching between the Word document and then the presentation deck. Anyway, it provides an overview of the current state of the project or initiative. And it typically includes like the key updates on the progress, accomplishments, any challenges, and then the next steps. So it helps to facilitate communication. It's a great communication tool between you and the stakeholders and the team members. And it enables the stakeholders to stay informed about the progress of the project, any goals, any risk, any way that they could actually help move or mitigate the risk along. This is normally how they find out. You track progress. You document all the tasks that have been completed, the milestones that have been achieved, and the remaining work. You don't want to forget about that. The status reports help stakeholders track the overall progress of the project and ensure alignment with the timelines and objectives. It helps to identify any issues and risks. The status reports often include sections dedicated to highlighting that, and you see that in the template that I share. And all these templates, by the way, are available for download, so you can download them and use them in your projects. This allows stakeholders to address problems proactively and implement mitigation strategies. It helps to provide accountability. It helps to hold the project team members and the stakeholders accountable for their responsibilities by documenting their contributions, the commitments, and the progress towards the goals. I used to do my project, my status reports, and send it out early, sometimes 8 a.m. on a Friday morning. Friday mornings are typically quieter, so stakeholders are able to take a look at it. And it also helps to see the work that has been done all throughout the week rather than sharing it on a Wednesday, for example. So I like Fridays. Doesn't mean that's the best day, but I do like Fridays. Mondays are also a great day, but I feel like Mondays are busier. And so you want a day that the stakeholders will actually take a look and provide you with any feedback that they might have for you. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty simple again. The project name, which doesn't change or hopefully doesn't change. I had my project names for some of my projects change in the middle of the project. But anyway, the project sponsor, project manager, and then the go live date. If that changes, it should be changed. And then you have the status update. And so you list the status updates that you have for that week in there. And then if there's any risk, you add that in there as well. And then if you have any next steps, you can also include them in there. And this is what it looks like. You do want to make it as simple, concise, and straight to the point as possible, because most of the time, high level stakeholders and executives don't have a lot of time to read long drawn out projects status reports. So you just want something that's very simple and straight to the point, where they could just glance through and see where you are, see what risks that you might have, and then also just take a quick look at what they should expect to be coming along uh, the project. So yeah, pretty simple. Also available for you to download and work with, play around with. I highly encourage you to start a project plan of your own, start a rating of your own, start a project on your own, and then use that to test yourself to see if you understand what you've learned so far. Alrighty. Are you aspiring to enter the world of project management, but you're feeling lost on where to start? Let me guide you through every step of the journey, from crafting a standout resume and finding the perfect roles to mastering interview techniques and negotiating an ideal salary. I've got you covered on all of that. Plus, I'll be sending you job alerts twice every week. I'll also ensure that your LinkedIn profile shines bright, drawing recruiters to you like a magnet. With my expert guidance, you'll be well equipped to excel in the competitive field of project management. So don't wait. Go to www.pathwaystoPM.com/coaching today.